Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And I'm so good. In today's video, I thought of showing you some easy crafts with ice cream sticks, and whosoever watching my channel for first time, please make sure to click that red subscribe button. And now let's get started. Here I'm taking a waste cardboard box, and now let's paint the box with black acrylic color. And now it is completely dried. Now let's paint the inside part of the box. Now here I am taking some black ice sticks to paste at the base of the box. And now here I am taking some colored ice sticks. Now let's paste the ice sticks vertically on all the sides of the box. Here I am taking some black ice sticks and take the exact measurement of the box. And now paste it all four sides of the box. Here are few flowers of my old dress. I thought of using these flowers for the pencil stand. Here I am pasting some kundans which highlights the pencil stand. And yeah, now our pencil stand is ready. It looks so beautiful, right? If so, definitely try this. And here is one more pencil stand which I have done. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give a like and subscribe my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Take care. Bye.